Hello everyone. I know I'm a little late in doing this flip, but I just finished up my altered book for our November Craft Together project. We altered little golden books, and this is the binding I put in mine, and this is the book I used. When Lisa and I altered these, we made sure that the story stayed intact. So there are pages of actual book pages in here, and the story is actually intact. I chose to tie it together with a ribbon, which is a good thing because it kind of grew. Let me make sure that you can see it all. Okay, I did choose to do a hard spine, and it's got some fabric on the inside, but it still says Little Golden Book on it. And it has 3 signatures. I made some flip up, flip down pieces. There's lots of places to journal. There's little papers that you can tuck spots. These are some songs that I found, and they are on cards so that you can journal in them as well. Okay, now go back in there. There we go. There are some blank pages just for writing on or putting pictures. There's belly bands with things tucked in the belly bands. This one's blank on the back. This one actually has a coloring thing on the back of it. Things have tabs. There's lots and lots of places to journal in this one. Oh, it still had a paper clip left in it. How about that? This is a card, well, but it forms a pocket, so there are some tags in the pocket. Another belly band. All of the tags and papers that are in here are things you can write on. Okay, I'm going to stop flipping them over. This video is going to take forever. Another tag, and again another song. I had a nice little book of songs, so it worked real well. This is a good place to write, or you could put a picture in there. This is another flip up, flip down. And papers. I love the way the story stayed intact and that you can read the story if you want. Now this is actually an envelope. If you had some secret notes you wanted to put in there, you could put them there. And this is another opening one. As I said, there's lots of pockets, lots of space. I wanted to do a little sewing in this one, so there are threads. Another envelope pocket. These are tags. These are just little simple cluster pieces on paper, and it just makes it so that you can, it decorates it just a little bit, just a tiny little bit. Now that's the first signature, and we have 3 signatures. This little flip is a flip sideways. And it is also a pocket. And this is another envelope. And a belly band. There are similar things in all three signatures. They're all just a little different. Now this opens, but at the same time this comes up, and this is a tag, but this is an actual pad of paper. Oops, was it in upside down? It was in upside down. It was an actual pad of paper, and I thought it went really well with the ornaments and everything on that page. So, excuse me. Other side of the envelope. Another pocket. This is just a little note card for writing on, little journal card, and a tag, and another one of those stationery sheets for writing. I like this little one. It's raised. It's cute. This is a flip up, flip down piece. And some more tags. This is another stationery piece. There are pages with little tabs on them. Tabs. It went away. I forgot what it was for a minute. This is a cute little tag and another journal piece space. Tag of the song. Another envelope. This is another flip up, flip down. And a tag and a couple more. See, this actually has a blank page. And this one is a little skinny flip up, flip down, and it again makes a pocket. Oh, that's cute. One on that side. They're both cute. And that's another envelope. And that's the second signature. And now in the third signature we have more of the same. Come on now, go in there where you won't get caught in the... There we go. Do you know what I just realized? I put the signatures in here wrong, which is not a problem. I can take them out and fix it. I'm going to finish with it, and then I'm going to have to flip this whole signature. It needs to go in the front, and I will have to double check the signatures that are in there correctly, because otherwise, and luckily I did not sew it in. I tied it in. So that is an interesting, very interesting. But I didn't notice it until just now. And you know, I've looked at this book like 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in this signature, and then I'll just put this signature in the front and the other one in the back. I really liked these songs. It was very nice that there was a little book of them, and they were perfect to go in here. And this belly band goes across. Another tag and another folded up journal sheet. And this is another one of those frames. I made lots of tags and tucks and things to go in here. This is another fold up, fold down piece that makes a pocket. More tags. Another card that then is a pocket. There's a tag, and this one is another envelope that you could tuck notes to yourself, or receipts. If you wanted to keep your Christmas receipts in there, you can do that too. And this is another one of those little cards. And we have another flip up and flip down on the very last page of this signature, which goes in the front. And a couple more tags. So that is my little altered golden book for November's craft together. And yes, I know it's mid-December and we're just now getting that ready, but that's okay. I'm going to finish up today with a quote from 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then I'm going to go in here and move these signatures around. And I hope you enjoy. Don't litter your workspace with keepsakes and reminders. A clutter-free environment is generally the most productive type of environment. Boy, I'm in trouble. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.